Okay, today this is welcome again to German Gamer TV. This is German, and today we're playing Natural Disaster Survival. Okay, so let's play. Pokemon? Ganun talaga. Sinabi na kahapon eh. Okay, Natural Disaster Survival. It says quickly run around in circles or left, depends on the It was updated last July 22, 2016. 32 players are maxed. So we're long waiting, so maybe this is my part one of the video. Thanks, subscribe.